Alright, got another unboxing video here. This is taking place moments after the Norinco 45 ACP unboxing video that I posted a day or two ago. I'm not sure when I'm going to get this uploaded. So I don't know, that video was posted sometime before this one. Don't know. This is a knife that I purchased on pre-order several months ago. And it just arrived at my house today. I wasn't expecting this knife until April, but I guess, I don't know, the shipment arrived early, so they said payment would be due around April when the knives were in, but whatever, it is what it is. It came early, so I don't know, I guess Christmas came early this year. So this is the knife. We're going to unbox it right now using the Spyderco Military. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Whoa! Wee! Put that knife away now. Alright, let's... Freak. I wanted to save this box. Oh well. What is going on here now? Oh, there we go. Okay. And a bunch of newspaper. And I assume that's the sales receipt. Box. And there it is. Oh, it's another Spyderco. Ooh, what could it be? What could it be? Let's open this up. You guys are getting a first look at it here. Ooh. That's a Spyderco Military with carbon fiber handles. Look at that, eh? There we go. What do you think of that? Carbon fiber. Now this has, what the heck do they call it? Spyderco M390 steel. I have no idea what that is. I've never heard of that steel before. I'm sure it's something super. Looks like it has a stainless pocket clip. That's pretty much exactly the same as the G10 Military, except obviously the carbon fiber scales, which have a lot rougher texturing to them. But I put this on pre-order. I think it went for, I don't even remember what I paid for it, something like 200 something, but I see them on forums right now. They're going for about 400. I've seen them go as high as 400. So I'm glad that I got this one. I don't plan on reselling it. This is, I don't know if I'm going to carry this or not. Anyway, there it is. I know guys like to see unboxing videos, so there it is. Spyderco Military carbon fiber handle.